accidentally deleted your YouTube channel? Don't worry, I have a fix for you. This issue can be fixed easily. Let's dive right in towards the solution. In order to recover your permanently deleted YouTube channel, you will have to use any internet browser. When you are within some browser, search for YouTube support. Here, click on the first link. After this is done, scroll down and click on the option called Contact Us. Here, describe your problem and then choose the best description of your problem. You can select Other here. After this is done, click on Next Step. Now click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner, scroll down, and then click on Submit Feedback. Click on Next. Now here, explain your problem briefly. You can provide all the information about how your channel got deleted. You can also provide screenshots for a better understanding. After this is done, you can tick this box and then click on Send. Hope the video helped you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content.